Good morning, YouTube. We're heading out to a blue line on the map today. If you guys don't know what blue lining is, it's when it's simple. You just go onto Google Maps and look for a blue line. You'll see if there's fish in there. There's no name of this place. It's out in Kennedy Meadows. Yeah, I'm pretty excited, man. Hopefully we're gonna get on some trout today. It's about, I'd say, 50 miles from my house, what it looks like. So that's the closest trout stream I could find. I'll get back to you guys when we get there. All right, so we just made the turn off into Kennedy Meadows. We've got about 35 miles until we get to the little creek that we're gonna be fishing at. Yeah, I'm pretty excited. I'll get back to you guys when we get there. All right, I just want to take a minute to appreciate this scenery. I mean, from the purple bushes to the yellow flowers on the side of the roads. I mean, just look at where we're at right now. Look at what we're dealing with. This is just unreal. I've never seen anything like this in my life. Right now is the perfect time to come out here. And yeah, you just got to thank God for everything he blesses us with. I truly wouldn't have it any other way. I mean, this is unreal. I'm assuming the trout out here are going to be even more unreal. I couldn't imagine that they're... I almost feel like it's going to be golden trout, but I'm thinking rainbow and goldens. But we just have to wait to find out, I guess. I'll catch up with you guys when we get to the stream. All right, so we're getting there about right now. We've got 2 miles left. I keep seeing the creek on the side of the road, so I'm getting pretty antsy. I can't wait to get in here and get on some trout, guys. I think it's gonna be awesome. It already is awesome, but I think it's gonna be amazing catching these trout. All right, so we just made it to where we're stopping at. Parked the truck here. Badass little rig, if I do say so myself. But we're gonna park the truck here, hike down this way, and go get on some trout. Creek is right down there. That looks pretty promising, if I do say so myself. Now we just got to figure out how we're gonna get down there. I think I might just send it down here through the bushes and stuff. But maybe we can get on the trail or something. This is a campground, so maybe I'll just walk through this camp because there's nobody here. There's not one camper, not one tent. Yeah, I'm just gonna pop down this way, get on that water, get on them trout. Start off at. I haven't even set my rod and reel up yet. Haven't even chose what I'm gonna be fishing with. If I see a fish rise, I'll throw dries, but I think what we're gonna start with is just some nymphs. I'm already getting torn up by bugs, so I hope this is worth it. But if I was a betting man, I would say there's fish in that hole right there, and they'll probably get on a nymph. Setting up broad right now. I think I'm second hand. No, you know what? I'm gonna throw a nymph first. I was debating a midge, but I've been getting a lot of luck on nymphs lately. I think I'm gonna end up throwing a nymph. Damn, my rod is scratched to all hell. I need to invest in a rod. I mean, I have a rod sleeve, but I need a rod. Oh, there goes the rod sleeve. But I need the rod. Y'all know what I'm talking about. The little protective, like, case. You put each member of the rod in a different sleeve. Oh, well, that's why my rod's scratched up right there, actually. Fuck around and find trout. If you know, you know. Perfect little rod, or real cover. Oh. Alright, let's set this up. Alright, so we just got here, or we just set up. First hole of the day. I'm gonna cast up into that hole, let it float down towards me. And I'm not seeing any fish in here, but you know how they are. We'll get them. I'm gonna set my stuff down here, and I'm gonna get to work. already in a tree, so that's amazing. There goes that nymph. Wow, what are we doing? Nah, man. We are ready to cast. Maybe I'm gonna scoot up a little, because guys, we're on. We are on. And by the looks of it, it popped out of water already. And I'm not gonna get my hopes up, but I believe it's a damn golden trout. I cannot believe it. Yeah, it's a golden trout. No. I don't know. It's a fucking golden trout. Sorry for my language, but I need my net. Net's back here. Don't pop off now. Don't pop off now. This is insane. This is insane. Come here, guy. Oh, that is true California gold. Oh my Lord, everyone. Oh my Lord, and he's a big one too. Oh, this is unreal. I can't believe it. I just can't. This is what I came here for. Holy shit. Excuse, what are we doing? This is my first time fishing, I guess. Holy shit, this was a wild ride, but I caught a golden. I caught a golden, guys. Okay, let's get the rod tip out of the water. Get the fish in the water, hands wet. Oh, he's insane looking. Just insane. I don't want to lose him. That hook is really in him. Give me a second, everyone. Safe. Let's get this release. Come on, buddy. I don't want to touch him any more than I have to. Getting that hook out was enough. Come on, man. You gone? And just like that. Let's go. That is unreal. The colors on that were ridiculous. So I'm gonna keep the GoPro rolling until I get on one. If I don't get on one in the next couple minutes, I'll stop recording, but I just had a small one chase after it, so. This is unreal. I can't believe that golden trout that I just caught. That is my first ever time catching a golden trout and my first ever time seeing one in person. Both is, I cannot believe the colors on that. I almost think those look more crazy than brooks. And brook trout are just ridiculous. There's bugs like crazy here. Man, I can't believe that. I will never get over that right there. Unreal. If I didn't even catch another fish for the whole day, I wouldn't complain. That was just, I couldn't even describe it. That was unreal. All right, it looks like that fish is probably spooked. I pulled the damn nymph out of the water right in front of his face. I didn't see him until I had the nymph right on me. Damn, these bugs are wicked. So we're not getting anything else out of this hole right here. Been here maybe another 15 minutes since I caught that last golden. And I didn't mention this, but that golden was a giant. Like I see goldens on Instagram out of lakes and stuff, and they're big. They're bigger than what I just caught. But one, that's on Instagram. Two, all the goldens that I see that come out of little streams and such, they're not big. They're not big whatsoever. I also just realized that somehow my fly line, there we go. Oh, I didn't put it through that eyelet? That's insane. What am I doing? Yeah, goldens, they're not big fish at all. So for me to catch that one right there is just insane. It's crazy. I gotta fix this rod. It's all jacked up. Somehow I missed the eyelet. Somewhere. I'm gonna reel this in and get to another hole. And yeah. Fix this. This is what we're using, by the way. Well, that was fun. Caught a golden trout, just insane. I can't believe it, honestly, I can't. Doesn't get any better than this. Maybe we'll, seems like there's a little hole right there. Maybe I'll throw a couple flies in there. See what we can do. But it's really fast right here. I'm not sure how we're gonna do. But it's always worth a shot. Sling this in here. I'm not gonna cast it properly. Yeah, I'm casting properly now. Can't get it where I want it. Also don't want to get in the tree. I also just realized I don't have an indicator on. I don't know what I'm doing. So we're gonna head to a different spot. It's probably right up here around this bend. Maybe get on some more. If not, probably fish for another hour without catching any fish and then head home. Because it's a 50-mile drive, but it's about a 2-hour drive because it's just twists and turns up a mountain the whole entire way. I'm not seeing anything in here. I want to find another pool similar to over there where I did catch the trout. It gets a little deep right here. We can try this. Right around this bend. Yeah, let's try this. The wind is also starting to pick up, which isn't too fun. At least there's nothing to catch on over here. Except a fish, hopefully. Any one of those is a fish. It's that cast that I just hit. But maybe there's no fish in this little pocket. Could be the case. I think this is going to be a pretty good little area. There's a pool right here. Maybe I'll cast it up. I'm not going to get too close because I don't want to spook the trout that are in here if they are. Give her a couple casts into this little hole. And then we'll start fishing upstream. My nymph is stuck in my finger. There we go. current is just so fast. I couldn't imagine any trout eating in this. That's why I'm trying to fish these little pools and pockets. I didn't get on. All right, guys, I didn't get on any more fish throughout this little section. I could drive up further and see if I can find any more pools, but I think I'm gonna give this spot another 10-15 minutes before I get out of here, because I mean, it is beautiful. I don't want to leave, but we're also not catching any fish. And it's not always about catching fish though, I know that, but it's so high in elevation I could barely breathe. I think we're at like close to 15,000 feet, give or take. Let's try this hole again though, what could go wrong? Maybe we'll get lucky before we leave. Getting tore up by bugs. All right, so I'm heading out now. Caught one fish, seen 3 or 4, spooked 2 out of the 4. I gotta get better, but catching that golden trout was unreal, unlike any other fish I've caught. And I've caught 20-inch browns. One 20-inch brown, I can't say browns plural. Damn, the elevation is wild, I cannot breathe. I know I ain't out of shape. It's just, the air's so thin up here. But yeah, damn, almost just slipped. Let's get out of here. Come back another time maybe. Head a little further up. Something. Damn, I need snowshoes to get up this. All right, now as we approach the truck, we end this trip and we end this video. I just want to say thank you to everyone that came along with me. And we'll see you in the next video.